everybody, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I'm in my robe. I just came back from a nice walk and I have now completed 10,600 steps as of 5:16 p.m. I probably have about 11,500 by the time I go to bed. So I have exceeded the amount I need for my challenge. But anyway, I'm going to put music over this, so hopefully you can't hear my refrigerator running. It's literally sprinting right now. Anyway, I'm going to make this salad. This is a very easy salad. This is a lower protein salad. And I would add more things to make the protein higher, but I'm okay because I had a protein smoothie today and some other things. So it's about how much you're eating in a day. So I'm okay with this being a low protein. Plus I want this meal to be a lower calorie meal because I need to lose some water weight from this weekend. I don't know if you saw my last upload, but just one day of eating at restaurants twice in a day due to the sodium, although the meals were healthy, the sodium, made me gain 2 pounds of water weight. So, well, 1.8 to be exact. So, I'm working on getting that off. But anyway, which is okay, it's normal. You gain water weight, food weight when you eat either too much sodium, at least that's my experience, too much sodium or too many calories versus how much you're burning. Anyway, so I want to tell you about this meal because this meal is only going to be 217 calories and it's very nutritious, and I'm going to break down everything and why it's nutritious. But if you swap this out for one of your higher calorie meals every day, that's going to help you get into more of a calorie deficit. So try this salad because it's literally only 270 calories. But if you want to add more protein, things like quinoa or beans or something, of course the calorie count will go up high. But again, I'm not tripping off that because I had enough protein today. I had a protein smoothie, I had almonds, I had protein in my yogurt. I'm good. Okay. And then of course I have some more protein in the greens and some in the nutritional yeast, but it's not a lot. Okay, so anyway, we're just gonna do I'm gonna tell you exactly everything so you can get it down to a T. So I have, first I'm gonna tell you all the measurements of everything. So I have 100 grams of cucumber. I have a little scale. I think I got it at, and I'm doing this for you guys because I know about how much I need to eat and stuff, I got this little scale. This one is particularly tailored. I don't know. Screenshot this. Sorry, it's looking kind of dingy. It's clean. I just wiped it off with a sanitizer wipe, but it looks kind of dingy. Anyway, we got 100 grams of cucumber. Okay. And then I have 62 grams of bell peppers. These are the mini ones. It doesn't matter if they're mini or big. It just, I got 62 grams. And of course, you can add more if you want. This is just, a lower calorie salad. But if you want to add more stuff to it, oops, I forgot to take those little seeds out. If you want to, add more, that's fine. Okay. This is just if you want to swap out one of your meals. Say like you're eating a pasta dish every night for dinner, and it's probably 700 calories or something, and you're trying to lose weight. Swap it out for this, and see how it works. You feel me? This little piece looks a little shriveled. Take these seeds out. So 62 grams, give or take, because I weighed it with the seeds in it, and I'm throwing 2 little pieces away, so it's probably going to be like 55 grams now, but anyway, just say 62. And then I have some red onion, which is 16 grams of red onion. I'm looking at my little chronometer here. I broke it down for you guys, okay? Got red onions. Again, to make more protein, you can add a cup of quinoa, you can add a cup of black beans, chickpeas, whatever you want. Tofu, air fried tofu. Okay, so the salad dressing is the easiest dressing I make. So we're just gonna do, I'm not gonna apply this because it's gonna make it look messy. I'll do this after I get off the camera. But we're just doing 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. I get this from Trader Joe's. You don't have to get this specific one. And then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can also do the olive oil spray, which is less calories and less, it doesn't even have any fat. Sometimes I do that. I'm gonna use the real stuff today. Because this dressing right here, between the two, it's only 135 calories for this dressing. Well, actually, let's say 155 because I'm going to add a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. So, you got the measurements for the vegetables and the arugula. I got about, I didn't really weigh it, but it's about 100 grams. And then, you know, you do 1 tablespoon of the balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and then I'm going to add some mozzarella steak seasoning. So this mozzarella, I haven't had a lot of sodium today, so I'm okay with having this. So I you know, on the weekdays, I really balance out my sodium. On the weekends, I'm a little more lenient, which is why I gained 2 pounds of water weight because of the sodium from the restaurants. But I do 1/4 teaspoon of mozzarella steak seasoning. You don't have to use this seasoning. You can use whatever you want to give you that salty taste if you want that. You might not even want that. So here's my salad. Very easy. Just a few ingredients. Again, you know, you can add the protein if you want. I will add the nutritional yeast now that you've seen it before I mess it up. I didn't make it all perfectly pretty for you guys. I just threw everything in the bowl, okay? We're hungry. We don't have time for all that. If you find that that isn't heavy enough for you, you can eat like 1 piece of fruit first, wait about 15 minutes, then eat the salad, okay? That'll also increase the calories just a little bit, but it won't increase too much. So that's the salad. Very easy. Now let me talk about the benefits of everything. Okay? I'm looking at my phone, which is clean. The arugula is high in vitamin K. Okay, supports detox pathways. It contains natural nitrates that support circulation. It's very anti-inflammatory. It stimulates digestion. Cucumbers are very hydrating, as we know. It supports your skin and digestion. It's light and easy on the gut. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C more than oranges. I didn't know that. Supports your immune system. Great for collagen production. Hello, somebody. Skin and joints. Antioxidant-rich, and the red onions support gut bacteria. Contain, I don't know how to say this, quercetin, Quercetin, which is anti-inflammatory, and it supports heart health. The nutritional yeast, I've said this in countless videos that it is great for B12. It has a little bit of protein in it. You know, 1 tablespoon gives you 3 grams. So if you do 2 tablespoons, that's 6 grams of protein. It has a little cheesy flavor without the dairy. It supports your energy metabolism. Olive oil and vinegar. Olive oil is healthy monosaturated fat. It's very good for heart support. It helps absorb fat soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K. Vinegar supports blood sugar balance. Simple, clean dressing without additives. Okay, so why this salad is actually powerful. This is not just a rabbit food. Okay, this is not just rabbit food. I'm about to mess up my salad, guys. It's high in fiber. It supports the gut health. It's high in antioxidants. It reduces inflammation. It's hydrating, mineral rich, supports circulation. It's light, very light, but nutrient dense. You might feel like you want to skip after you eat it. It's low sodium. Well, when I put the information in, I didn't add that I was going to put mozzarella steak seasoning, but it's still low in sodium. It's only going to be about 200, and I'll just say with the natural sodium and everything, it might be about 300 milligrams. So you got to make sure your daytime, the rest of your day, isn't a lot of sodium. You need to balance that out, okay? So yeah, that's what's up, guys. The salad is about to be delicious and nutritious, and I might eat a little tangerine with it. first, but nah, I don't want any more fruit. I had a lot of fruit today. So I love this dressing. I love my tahini dressing probably the best. But when I want a lower calorie dressing, like if I'm trying to lose water weight or something like that, which I am from this weekend, you know, after I eat this, I probably will have eaten about 1,850 calories for today, guesstimating, knowing my food and what I eat all the time. I only put this meal in the chronometer. I didn't check my whole day, but I know my food that I buy, you know what I mean? And it's about 1,850 calories for today. And that's about how much I'm eating if I'm trying to lose some water weight. And then when I'm regularly maintaining, that's all mixed in there. When I'm maintaining, I eat about 2,000 calories, 2,000 to like 2,200. Because, you know, I'm at maintenance. I lost my fat already. I'm just maintaining. But sometimes if I go up in water weight, then I make sure I buckle down really quickly so we can get the water weight off. But anywho, I am going to go, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Sorry you can't see my face today. I'm going to go because I have a play rehearsal on Zoom, and they will not see me because I am in a robe. But anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Let me know if you swap this out for a meal or just if you just eat it just because you want to. Okay, bye. All right, let's just do a taste test. I forgot to do that. Yummy. It makes me want to skip because it just tastes so refreshing and yummy. All right, I'm out.